Enceladus Ocean. A newly stabilized haven for potential life. Enceladus Ocean. A newly stabilized haven for potential life, the icy moon Enceladus, orbiting Saturn, has long been considered a prime target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Beneath its frozen shell lies a vast ocean of liquid water, and recent findings suggest this ocean is even more conducive to life than previously understood. A newly discovered heat signature emanating from Enceladus's North Pole indicates a surprising level of stability within this ocean, a crucial factor for the potential development of life. Why stability matters for life: the presence of liquid water, organic molecules, and heat are all important ingredients for life as we know it. However, stability over geological timescales is arguably the final piece of the puzzle. For life to evolve, conditions need to remain relatively constant for extended periods, allowing for gradual development and adaptation. Unveiling the North Pole's heat signature, Carly Howitt at the University of Oxford and her colleagues analyzed data gathered by NASA's Cassini spacecraft, which orbited Saturn between 2004 and 2017. Their focus was to pinpoint any heat escaping from the moon. The interior of Enceladus is warmed by tidal forces, the constant stretching and squeezing caused by Saturn's gravity. While heat has previously been detected leaking from the south polar regions, a significant discovery has now been made in the north. Matching heat input with output, the key to stability. The critical question scientists sought to answer was whether the ocean was effectively balanced, whether the heat being generated within the ocean matched the heat being released. Previous measurements from the South Pole didn't fully account for the total heat input. However, the team's findings revealed that the North Pole is approximately 7 degrees warmer than initially estimated. Combining this new information with the heat radiating from the South Pole creates a remarkable match. The ice shell surrounding Enceladus is thicker around its equator, preventing substantial heat release in those regions. This explains why heat primarily escapes from the polar regions and the balance achieved between input and output. Implications for life. Time to evolve. The evidence points to a remarkably stable ocean environment. While it's difficult to precisely quantify the duration of this stability, scientists believe the ocean isn't close to freezing and hasn't experienced a recent freeze. It's really hard to put a number on it, but we don't think it's going to freeze out anytime soon, or that it's been frozen out anytime recently, says Howitt. This stability is vital because life requires time to evolve. The new findings suggest Enceladus Ocean provides that necessary timeframe. While the discovery of life itself remains a significant challenge, both NASA and the European Space Agency, ESA, are currently developing missions with the explicit goal of searching for it in the coming decades. The newly confirmed ocean stability dramatically strengthens the case for Enceladus as a promising location in the ongoing search for life beyond Earth.